Welcome back and welcome to the final episode of my Whole House Declutter series. Don't worry, this won't be the end of my decluttering and organizing videos here. I have plenty more coming, also some more home renovation videos, and I'll do a monthly declutter around the house so it doesn't get too cluttered in my home. Today I'm going through the toys and teddies we currently keep stored under our bed in this big container. Some of these toys are new, some from my own childhood, and others are hand-me-downs from my sister's kids. I have this cute dragon teddy I picked up when we visited Universal Studios in Singapore. Honestly, I bought it more for myself because I loved it, but I hope one day my daughter will like it. I think I will only keep one of these frisbee, and it will be the yellow one with the smiley face on it. And then I can donate the other. And then I also have this orange elephant from Thailand I will use as decor for when we move to a bigger house and my baby can have her own bedroom. Then there's this wooden adventure kit I recently bought. It will take a while before our baby is old enough to play with it, but I'll keep it stored in the basket with the other toys for now. My next upcoming video will be a nesting video to get ready for when our baby comes, and I'll make a big to-do list and go through all the baby clothes we have bought or received as gifts. I'll also create a little system to keep track of all the sizes and pieces we have, so stay tuned for that. Another thing I kept is a tent for my old Bratz dolls, along with a few dolls and accessories. I used to have so much more Bratz stuff, but I gave a lot to my nieces so they could play with it at their own homes too. Before we knew that we will have a baby ourselves, we just kept a small set for when our nieces and nephew visited. But I'm happy I held on to some because my daughter will be able to enjoy them as well. The big teddy bear is extra special for me. I got it as a gift from my Taiwanese friend when I was still in high school in China. It's adorable with magnetic hands that can attach to its ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. That is definitely staying, and I hope my daughter will play with it someday. I also have these little teddy bears from my early childhood. I already gave the bigger ones to my nieces and nephew, but I still have some smaller ones left, so that is also keeps. Overall, we really don't have a huge amount of toys, so I think our daughter will be happy that we saved these for her to play with. Still, I did find something to let go of, like this ice cream truck. I'll ask my nieces first if they want it, and if not, I'll donate it to our local secondhand store. This heart-shaped box I will go through later. I think I want to keep the few pixie books and children's books we have. But maybe I can let go of some of these empty notebooks. Time to reorganize the keep pile. Let me fast forward this part so the video isn't too long. Maybe I can declutter some of this stuff in the small heart-shaped box. I will just look through. So this loop necklace I will donate, but I'll keep most of the other diddle collectibles and accessories from my childhood. I will keep them for my daughter, and when she doesn't want to play with it anymore, we can let it go. So now everything goes back neatly into the box, and then I will put it in this big storage box. I also went around our home to see if I could find some random things to add to this declutter. Since we've already received quite a few plushies for the baby, I decided to donate these 3 unused plushies. And here's what I'm getting rid of. The ice cream truck I'm counting as 1 item, 1 frisbee, 1 coloring book, 1 loop necklace, 3 plushies, 1 magazine, 1 canvas with frame, 1 piece of decor, and 1 mirror, another small decor piece, and 1 sunflower flashlight. That makes a total of 13 items decluttered in this final episode. And this wraps up my whole house declutter series. Thank you so much for following along this journey with me. I truly hope it has inspired you to simplify your own home. I'll see you soon in my upcoming nesting video.